Hey, what's going on, guys? Me, Dylan Timmy Lovitz here, and today I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be playing Elf Bowling Hawaiian Vacation. So let's get started here. And leave a comment down below if you play Elf Bowling Hawaiian Vacation. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just going to ignore that one. Okay, welcome to Elf Bowling Hawaiian Vacation. So let's get started here. But I do something different. It's like Dylan. Ball. About that ball. Avatar. It's with the elf. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, Dylan. Welcome, Dylan. Okay, full. Story mode, single player, multiplayer, computer. Well, let's do story mode. Okay, mouse left and right. Forward or backward. Okay. Bonuses. Okay, the green ones right here are the bonuses. The red ones are the dirty tricks. And this is the mega bonus. And let's see right here. These are bonuses. And these are dirty tricks. Okay, let's just go. Boy, man is going to be ticked when they find out we skipped town. Why worry about something today when we don't even why you won't even care tomorrow? The vacation begins. Let's do this. The nose we're locked or closed. The party has arrived. I like these elves. Mm. I have no ketchup. Uh-oh, here comes chaos. What do we do? Oh, guess what the challenge is? I hope you brought some balls, Captain. They're evil. Yay, evil. Let's get started. Okay, let's start. Let's see here. Okay, left and right. Forward and backward. Go. Boom! I got 9. Freedom! Woo! Okay, left and right. There's a 30 trick right here. Let's get that one. Yes, you did. And look at that. There's a logo here. There's a logo for the game. There's a bonus right here. Firework bonus. So we're on the cruise ship. Firework here. And boxing gloves bonus. Oh, he missed. Yeah. Ooh, basketball. Yeah, awesome stuff. Uh-oh. Whoa, I got so close. Yeah, but some other 3 tricks right here. Yeah, I got 1. Yeah, even for the gutter here. Let's see here. Small ball 3. Well, okay. Well, hope you enjoyed it because I'm done. Because I think Mrs. V is here. So, well, I guess, guys, I'm done. So, see ya.